Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizokom, Mantombi Dlamini, born in 1956, a daughter of Sobhuza II of Eswatini. She appointed to be interim ruler of Zulu Nation. She is a daughter of Sobhuza II and the sister of a King Mswati III. She got engaged with our late King Good Zwelithini. On that time, she was a member of royal family at Swaziland. They got married in 1977. She became wife's number 3 of 6 wives, and she had 8 children with him, including 5 sons. As a result, King Goodwill Zwelithini have 28 children, including our late Prince Lethukuthula, the eldest son of Amazulu King Good Zwelithini and Queen Sibongile. It is expected that one of Mantombi's sons will be the next king. Why Mantombi appointed as interim ruler? That is the most question asked by the people around South Africa. It's because she born and raised in royal family. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.